Alright, the first spider of the series. Check it out. Can you see that in there? Where are you at, Spidey? There you are. This is an American nursery web spider. They got that name because when they make a web, they actually attach a bunch of leaves and sticks to it and make a little web nursery, and that's how they protect their eggs and their young. And they are actually active hunters. They don't catch their prey with nets, and these things are totally harmless. Come on. Oh, look at that, and it's hanging with a thread. There he is. Oh, they go fast. Yep, this thing is totally harmless to humans, but it is a pretty vicious hunter of gnats and mosquitoes. Apparently they hunt mainly during the night. Look at that. It's got these nice chipmunk patterns. Thinking about getting that tattooed all over my body.